Hey, what's happening? So, it seems like we're going through a mini renaissance of Italian milsurp, and well, you can see a whole bunch of reviews of Breda, the 84 series. You got the 1951s, the 92Ss, and most recently all the Catacanos, the M91s, and they're on after from DK, Buds, and whatnot. So, that's all cool. I think I've got one of each of those. But this one is it should be a Tipo 2, Type 2, and 1 Garand from Breda. So, figured I'd do a video and throw it out there. All right, let's see how this goes. So this is how it came right out of the box. I have not unwrapped the bubble wrap, but just your standard crushed brown paper, pretty well wrapped, and you can kind of see some of the wood underneath. So I figure I'll just get cutting and unwrap it. All right, stand by. So I cut off the tape, and I have not seen it yet, so I figured if I was going to do a video, I might as well make it sincere, right? So I have not peeled back the layers. I'll do that right now, see if I can take a shot up. And you will see it as I do. Okay. This did come from Classic, and I think they are imported by Foxtrot Lima. As you can see, heavy on the grease. The video that Classic had on their website showed a tiger stripe one, which I honestly don't think that was coincidence. I think it's pretty deliberate, because that thing was absolutely unique. But that's what makes these kind of cool, or actually definitely cool, is that, like I said, you got a bajillion of those other things already in place. But these are very hard to come by. There's a whole group of people who have gone about replicating them, making their own, see if I can get a focus of that, making their own with parts that they've sourced on the interwebs. And yeah, so again, first looks the same as me. I can't say I'm a huge Garand person, or Garand. I call it Garand. I am more someone who likes things that are just odd and unusual. So here's the receiver marking. So you have the 762-2, then a cross out, and then Breda. I'm not sure what that crossed out line had before. You're not seeing it. That line right there, right above the Breda. But a little bit darker than expected, but so far nothing crazy, no dings or major dings. I would have to take it apart and actually get an idea of all the parts. This was the opposite of cheap. This is probably actually, no, I'm very certain about this. This is the most I've spent on a firearm. At $2,500, I could have bought 10 Catacanos, but I always had a kind of an itch for the Garand. Not a huge fan of the 30-06. And like I said, I like the odd and unusual pretty much above all else. So I'd seen these come into Classic at times. It seems like they'd get like onesie twosies, which would then vanish off their site relatively quickly despite the cost. And just a couple days ago, I happen to have the browser already on the web page with these on Classic, and it showed available. So I literally shut my eyes and pressed buy now, and yeah, I ran with it. So I've been trying to embrace the whole YOLO lifestyle in this COVID situation. You know, I don't really know what tomorrow's going to look like, so might as well live today type of thing, which, yeah. So pretty cool I had this opportunity. Let me see if I can have the imported. Oh, it's tiny. Where are we? Should be in front. Yeah, it's right there somewhere. It's right behind. There we go. Foxtrot, Eldridge, New York, Italy. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's it. That's literally as I took it out of the wrapper. You mess around with it and take a look, and maybe take it out this weekend, assuming everything passes. So, all right. Hope that served for something and you enjoyed it. All right, y'all. Be safe.